English Department. The awarding of our grade 9 achievers escorted by their proud parents or guardian. Agasa Rihanna Lindsay M. with honors. Aguirre Lauren Jazz B. with honors. Alcantara Santino Ezequiel C. with honors. Alcazari Leluz R. with honors. Amimo Christine B. with honors. Apolinaria Charlie Joel J. with honors. Araya Kobe Lee with honors. Arcite Denver N. with honors. Arguelles Daniela P. with honors. Asilar Leah Zaira A. with honors. Attention Sander N. with honors. Austero Marijun P. with honors. Barberan Mark Louis S. with honors. Bautista Kate Luis B. with honors. Belmonte Giancarlo A. with honors. Brane Sherilyn D. with honors. Brillo Sar Justine P. with honors. Buenamlor Jessa G. with honors. Buraca Natalie May S. with honors. Kalapa Roy Jr. B. with honors. Kani Samaria Yesha R. with honors. Habanero Hea Days G. with honors. Condesar Dwayne Dominic R. with honors. Concepcion Kyle Renoa M. with honors. Cruz Charmy C. with honors. Dabalos Axel P. with honors. Taqueson Stephanie May A. with honors. Del Rosario Shane Alexa R. with honors. Leguiña Sam Maurice V. with honors. Descanso Yana B. with honors. Diaz Charity S. with honors. Dulgime Grichelle May A. with honors. Escudero Junel P. with honors. Espinar Jovel E. with honors. Espineta Nathan G. with honors. Esteban Marwin Mark S. with honors. Gaban Altea J. with honors. Gabihan Maria Renielia B. with honors. Galit Juliana A. with honors. Garcia Micaela K. C. with honors. Gardose K. Jarby M. with honors. Jernale Princess Anne M. with honors. Gonzales Princess Athena R. with honors. Gundayaw A.D. Ryzen M. with honors. Gundayaw C.J. Ashley Yu with honors. Infante Jessica May R. with honors.
Ikaw na lang eh.
Ino Matthew Dave Lester G. with honors. Jacobo Chloe
Ayaw mo nga, Loy.
L. with honors. Descano Christine Joy G. with honors. Igaspi Sofia Nicole N. with honors. Beria Luke Hans P. with honors. Lopez Erin Janelle F. with honors. Magbantay Julian Zel B. with honors. Manalili Princess Yolika R. with honors. Mariano Charlene C. with honors. Monzon Queen